Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to remove echo and reverb from your voice in Premiere Pro using the de-reverb tool inside the Essential Sound panel. This is the audio I want to de-reverb, okay? If I play this audio, you will hear a lot of echo and reverb inside it.
This is an empty apartment, and as you can hear, it's really echoey.
To de-reverb this audio, just assign it as dialogue and then go to repair. Under repair, you will see reduce reverb. So I'll play the audio real quick so that we can compare the before and after.
This is an empty apartment, and as you can hear, it's really echoey.
Okay, so once you apply the reduce reverb effect, let's adjust the slider a bit. If I increase this, listen to this.
This is an empty apartment, and as you can hear, it's really echoey.
You can see that the echo is reducing. So if I increase this further to like 8, I don't like taking it to the maximum so that it won't be, sounding artificial. Like for example, if I put this at 10, listen to this.
This is an empty apartment.
So it's sounding like an AI. Okay, so let's put it around 8.
This is an empty apartment, and as you can hear, it's really echoey.
Make sure that you have done your audio cleanup like denoising and de-essing and so on before applying this de-reverb effect. In the next episode, I will show you how to normalize audio properly and explain the difference between gain and volume in Premiere Pro. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button.